I wanted to make a video about the tree species in Thailand, but I soon discovered that the biodiversity in Thailand is so great that that would become a video of a few hours long. There are thousands of palm species, dozens of fruit trees, and many more deciduous and evergreen trees. That is why in this video I discuss 10 tree species that are typical of Thai landscapes. Thailand has two types of evergreen forests that do not drop their leaves during the dry season, and deciduous forests that will drop virtually all leaves from their species and lose their green color. Evergreen forests can be split into 5 groups: moist evergreen, dry evergreen, hill evergreen, mangrove forest, and pinus forest. In Thailand, 30% of forests are considered evergreen forests. Deciduous forests can be split, mainly, into 3 groups: mixed deciduous, dry deciduous, and bamboo forest. In Thailand, 70% of all forests are considered deciduous forests. Here are 10 tree species. 1. We begin with the coconut palm. We find these trees in beech forests. Fruits start developing when the plant is around 6 to 10 years old. Coconut palm bears fruits all year long, with an annual production of around 5,200 coconuts per palm tree. If the coconut falls into the sea, it can spread with the current. Of course, the coconuts are also picked by people. 2. Casuarinas. These tree grows in beech forests near the sea, behind beaches and near estuaries. 3. The banyan tree. Did you know that the banyan tree is actually a type of fig? It starts out small, landing in another tree, and then eventually it envelopes the tree and continues to grow outwards. This is what accounts for the multiple root systems that we see, and is also why banyan trees are one of the most resilient trees in the jungle. In Buddhism, the banyan tree is also considered sacred and is often associated with the Buddha. It is believed that the Buddha attained enlightenment under a banyan tree, and the tree is often used as a symbol of spiritual growth and enlightenment. 4. The tualang tree or buttress roots tree. These large trees are hundreds of years old. They keep their stability by growing buttresses as foundations. They especially growing in jungle areas. There are legends regarding the tualang tree. Some believe this tree is inhabited by spirits, and it is often left alone in heavily logged areas for that reason. Of course, it being the favorite tree for the Asian giant honeybee to build their nests on is part of the reason why the tualang is often left alone. The bees choose the tree for its smooth bark, which is tough for predators like the sun bear to climb. 5. The rain tree or saamanea saman tree or giant monkeypod. It is a great flowering tree that tolerates drought, heat, wind and air pollution, and grows 30 to 40 feet tall high and equally as wide. It has spreading branches but a rounded crown. The flowers are yellow. This tree is considered to be a religious due to its large, expansive size and ability to provide a lot of shade. In some Thai stories, it is referred to as Yak, a mythical demon, referring in this context to the monstrous size of the tree. In Thai, it is called the kampu. 6. The bili tree. These trees grow quite tall and produce a fruit that looks similar to a guava. These are often dried and served as candied fruits. 7. Flame of the forest, delonix regia. This tree is spectacular when in bloom. It can reach a height up to 12 meters and is quite breathtaking to view in real life. 8. Coastal mangrove trees. You will find mangroves along the coastal regions in Thailand and are most easily recognized by their root systems sticking up out of the water. These trees are very important for the environment, acting as a natural stabilizer for coastal erosion. In the description I put a link to a walking path in a mangrove forest. 9. Bamboos are typically fast-growing perennials, with some species growing as much as 30 cm 1 foot per day. The woody ring stems, known as culms, are typically hollow between the rings, nodes. Bamboo is often used to make chairs, tables, beds and other furnishings. Not just large furnishings but also baskets and other storage pieces. Also as building material and for art. The rubber tree. You will typically see rows of these trees in plantations as you are driving around Thailand. The sure way to know is to look for the small dish that is collecting the white rubber sap or latex coming from the trees. I will put a link to a video of mine in which I describe the process from latex extraction to rubber production. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to see more videos. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write it in the comments.